Hello everyone, now I will present our material with the title is How Music Helps Reduce Stress. But first, now I will introduce myself. My name is Mikael Christian Pratama Lahagu with my student ID number is 251091110021. Okay, back to the topic. Have you ever heard stress? Yes, stress is a common response to daily pressures, especially among students and healthcare workers. When the stress becomes chronic, it increases cortisol level and affects both mental and physical health. Music is the one simplest and most effective tools to regulate stress, and because it's directly influences brain regions that control emotions and relaxations.
Thank you for the explanation. I will now continue by presenting the topic on music and the brain, as well as its psychology impact. Before that, please allow me introduce myself. My name is Rahman Nabila, and my student identification number is 251091122038. So we can start. Okay. Wait. So music and the brain. So music is activates the limbic system, including the amygdala, an area involved in fear and stress response. The calming music decrease amygdala activity. So music increase dopamine release, improving mood and motivation, and the prefrontal cortex becomes more active, helping emotional regulation. And for the psychological effects of music, music does not only affect emotion, it changes the body psychology. Music can decrease heart rate and blood pressure, reduce cortisol, and activates parasympathetic nervous system, improves sleep quality. Slow tempo is like 80 BPM. Music is the most effective for relaxation. So for what I explained, music is really great for helping you reduce stress because the calming music and make your mood happier and you really become calming. Maybe that's all for me. The next part of the presentation will be continued by my colleagues. Thank you.
Hello everybody, let me introduce myself. My name is Evan Hatuguan Panggabean. The student identification number is 2510911110012. This time I will explain about the physiological benefits of how music helps reduce stress. Okay, music improves mental well-being by 1. Reducing anxiety and depressive symptoms. Music can calm the mind and body by lowering stress levels, helping to reduce feeling of anxiety and sadness. Number 2, increasing feelings of comfort and emotional safety. Listening to music can create a sense of familiarity and warmth, making individuals feel emotionally supported and safe. Number 3, providing distraction from stressors. Music helps shift attention away from problems of pressure, allowing the mind to rest and reset. Number 4, helping emotional expression. Music allows people to express and understand their emotions, especially when words are difficult to find. Number 5, supporting and supporting mindfulness and relaxation. The music encourages on the present moment, helping with relaxation, deep breathing, and mental clarity. Next slide. Music therapy types. There are two main forms. Number 1, active music therapy, singing, drumming, or playing instrument with a therapist. This form involves direct participation, such as singing, drumming, or playing musical instruments, together with a therapist. It helps patients release tension, express emotion, and feel more engaged during therapy. Number 2, receptive music therapy, listening to carefully selected music. This form focuses on the listening to carefully selected music guided by a therapist. It helps promote relaxation, calm the mind, and reduce emotional distress. Number 3, impact on anxiety reduction. Both forms of music therapy and are effective in reducing anxiety, especially for patients undergoing medical procedures, by creating a calming environment and improving emotional comfort. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Iren Zevira Tagalog and I will continue the presentation. I will explain the scientific evidence of music helps reduce stress, followed by the types of music that are effective for stress relief. Multiple medical and psychological studies have shown that listening to music significantly reduces stress and anxiety. In pre-surgical patients, music has even been found to reduce anxiety more effectively than anti-anxiety medication. For students, especially medical students, calming music improves emotional coping during exams and stressful academic situations. Neuroimaging studies using fMRI also shows decreased activation of the amygdala after listening to relaxing music, which indicates a lower stress response. This evidence shows that music is not just enjoyable, but clinically and neurologically effective in reducing stress. Not all music has the same effect on stress reduction. Research shows that certain types of music are more effective. Classical music, soft instrumental tracks, lovey music, and acoustic sounds such as piano or guitar are commonly associated with relaxation. Nature sounds, blended with music and spiritual sounds including Quran recitation, also promote calmness and emotional stability. In general, music with a slow tempo below 80 beats per minute and a consistent rhythm is most effective in activating the relaxation response. This means choosing the right type of music is essential to gain maximum stress reducing benefits. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Nahdah Nur Akila with student ID number 2510911220014. Now, let's talk about how music can be practically applied in daily life, especially for medical students. Medical students face high academic demand, long study hours, and frequent stress. Music can be a simple yet effective coping strategy. First, listening to instrumental music while studying can help improve concentration and reduce mental fatigue, especially during long study sessions. Second, music can support sleep hygiene. Calming music before bedtime may help reduce stress hormone and improve sleep quality, which is essential for memory and learning. Third, creating specific playlists for relaxation allows students to intentionally manage their mood after exam or clinical activities. Additionally, music can be paired with breathing exercise to enhance relaxation and emotional regulation. Lastly, using noise-canceling headphones can help block distraction and improve focus, especially in noise environments such as dormitories or libraries. However, it is important to understand that music therapy also has limitations. Not all types of music reduce stress. Fast tempo or loud music may actually increase arousal and anxiety rather than relaxation. Personal preference also plays a major role. Music that is calming for one person may be irritating or distracting for another. Furthermore, music should be used as a complementary approach, not a replacement for clinical treatment in individuals with severe mental health disorder. Lastly, some individuals may be sensitive to certain sounds or frequencies, which could cause discomfort or headache. Therefore, music should be used thoughtfully and individually. In conclusion, music is a simple, effective, and evidence-based strategy for stress reduction. It influences the brain, body, and emotion simultaneously, making it a powerful tool for emotional regulation. For medical students, music offers a practical way to support well-being, reduce stress, and improve academic performance. As a future doctor, understanding the therapeutic effect of music encourages a more holistic approach to patient care, integrating both medical and psychological well-being. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.